Welcome my friend, I'm glad you came to visit me today. In this video I will teach you how to find many things on internet that most people don't know about. Things that are waiting for you to download if you know how to find them. In many cases people want you to pay money for information. They make outrageous claims that information they want to sell will make you rich with little or no work. They say you can't fail, just buy special report, video, ebook or course, and you will make lots of money. In rare cases this may be true, but most time information they sell is worthless. For example, how would you feel after you spent $27 for special report that promises to show you how to make $10,000 every month? With very little work. That sounds much like good deal. Who wouldn't want to make such big money without much work? So you spend money and download report only to find out that it is total waste of time. You lose your money and get nothing of value in return. If you ask for refund, seller will refuse and try to make everything your fault. They will say you didn't follow instructions, you didn't try hard enough, you need to try other methods, you didn't do good job. Everything is your fault and they give no refund. You just lost your money and only thing you have to show is worthless method that doesn't work. I will show you hacking method so you can look at such reports before buying. So you will know ahead of time if you would be cheated. My methods find reports before you spend money so you can't lose. You will download report and see for yourself if it is any good. If it is no good, you just saved money. If it is good, maybe you pay seller for valuable information. Now I will show you secret method I use to access hidden files. Go to Google search and enter domain name of website that has file you want to download. After domain name, put a space followed by the word download. You will be much surprised by the big number of files that will become available for you. Now you can view file before you waste your money. I show you image of search page using this method. You can see there are over 30,000 results. I have blurred out the main name because I don't want to expose file downloads in this video. But trust me, this method works. And it can save you from wasting money for worthless information. There are many search variations you can use to find most anything you want. Here are a few you can try.
В сердце полно, я не знаю, как тебя забыть. Каждый день смотрю в инсте твой старый профиль в немой темноте. Я не могу, без тебя не могу.
For even more search terms, you can go to exploitdb.com/Google Hacking Database. This company performs intrusion testing in order to help websites prevent unauthorized access to sensitive files and information. As they discover new exploits, they publish them to their online database. This can be a valuable resource for you to find more hidden files. You can use filechef.com to form even more complex search terms. Just type what you are looking for, and FileChef will interrogate Google for you. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Go ahead, subscribe now and save yourself lots of time and money. I will be teaching you many things that will be useful, and you will be glad you subscribed.